Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in automotive accessories. Today, we're featuring the best trail-rated Jeep badge, the Jeep Trail-Rated Logo Vinyl Sticker. This sleek and stylish 4x4 circle logo sticker is the perfect addition to any Jeep enthusiast's vehicle, showcasing the iconic trail-rated badge that symbolizes Jeep's rugged capability. This officially licensed Jeep sticker is not just a great way to represent your love for Jeep, but it's also built to withstand the toughest conditions. It's made from durable outdoor-grade vinyl, which means it's fade-resistant, weather-resistant, and perfect for both indoor and outdoor applications. Whether you're placing it on your Jeep or another surface, you can count on this sticker to last. Measuring 4 inches in diameter, this round logo is a clean and crisp representation of Jeep's off-road prowess. It's easy to apply with a strong adhesive backing that sticks to a variety of surfaces, including windows, wood, glass, cloth, plastic, metal, and fabric. Whether you're decking out your Jeep, laptop, or any other clean and smooth surface, this badge will surely stand out. Not only does this sticker look great, but it's also a true symbol of Jeep's commitment to quality and adventure. When you see the trail-rated logo, you know that Jeep vehicles have passed rigorous tests in areas such as traction, ground clearance, maneuverability, and more. It's the mark of excellence for vehicles built to take on the most challenging trails. And don't worry, applying the sticker won't damage your vehicle's paint or surface. It's designed for easy, hassle-free application, and you'll be left with a flawless finish. Plus, its fade-resistant feature means that the logo will continue to shine through no matter how harsh the weather conditions may be. So, if you're a Jeep lover or looking to add a touch of authenticity to your vehicle, this is the ideal product. The Jeep Trail-Rated Logo Vinyl Sticker is a small yet powerful accessory that brings your Jeep's off-road spirit to life. Thanks for watching this review here at Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive accessory reviews.